I am absolutely in love with this acrylic whiteboard that we ordered. My husband had thought he could put his white sticky tab notebook up on the wall, and I said, absolutely not. We need something to go with the new aesthetic of our office, and this board was absolutely perfect. It matched our Keiko 6 chandelier lighting lamp, the gold in it, and the whiteboard. It doesn't move that much when you write on it. It erases really easy, and it's perfect for him to jot down his notes when he's working at home. Aesthetically, it blends into the wall, so when you walk into the room, it's not this weird note writing thing that's in the way. It blends in with the entire theme of the room and the wall. It was super easy to install and came with instructions and was up on our wall within 10 minutes. Overall, any size of this board would work. We ordered the largest size that they had, and it looks perfect.